So, what's up YouTube? I'm back at it again with another video. I actually just got this new fan and some new clothes. It's called Omega. I'll show you guys. It's super sick. Well, this was not what the whole video was about. Anyways, this video is on places where you can train without anyone trying to kill you. Okay? So, the first place we want to go to is this place. I'm sick a little bit, y'all. So yeah, you want to go to this place. It's right here where these bushes are. It's in this one land. I don't know what it's called. But it has that little platform. So anyways, what you want to do, you want to go here. And if you look inside from here, there's a place you can train. I'm pretty sure this is the #1 place to train over here. So yeah, go to your dojo, equip your transmission. Then transmission yourself inside of here. And then you can train. You can use the same way that you get in to get out. But first you want to charge, and then you want to get out. So that's place #1. I'm going to show you place #2. There's going to be like 3 places that you can train without getting caught. So you want to go to this volcano. I might as well just use my transmission. And reverse. You want to transmission yourself over here. And then if you go over here, somewhere. I know it is. Oh yeah, it's right here. So then you can go in here and you can train. Now, for the last place, it's kind of a public place. Some of my friends are even in there. So just make sure you tell nobody else about this place. Some of my friends train here. It's not the Snowlands. I mean, if it was at the Snowland, you'd probably be amazed. So yeah, you just want to go over to this place, which everyone goes to. And by the way, this game is on Roblox called Dragon Ball Rage. And so then, you want to go this way. Make a turn. I'm going past that Super Saiyan God guy. I'm pretty sure it's right in there. And that's the last place to train. So if you like this video, please subscribe and like the video. Peace. I'll see you on the next video.